What if that stack of old t-shirts sitting in your drawer wasn't clutter, but actually your next 50 plus creative fashion ideas waiting to happen? Today, I'm sharing 50 plus upcycled t-shirt ideas, and some of these transformations are so clever and unexpected that you'll never look at a basic tee the same way again. From simple refashions to full-on clothing transformations, these ideas show just how far a single t-shirt can go when creativity takes over. As you watch, start thinking about which ideas you would actually try, because I want you to pick your favorites and share them in the comments. I also have a Pinterest board linked in the description where you can save these ideas and come back to them whenever you need inspiration for your next sewing project. Some of these upcycles are quick and beginner-friendly, while others completely reimagine what a t-shirt can become. My personal favorite is number 49, so make sure you stick around for that one because it's a seriously surprising transformation. One of the best things about upcycling t-shirts is that they're already one of the most versatile pieces in any wardrobe, which means the possibilities are practically endless once you start thinking outside the box. So get comfortable, keep an open mind, and let's dive into these 50 plus upcycled t-shirt ideas to see which ones spark your creativity the most. One of the most interesting things about upcycling t-shirts is how something so simple can hold so much potential. A basic t-shirt is often seen as an everyday item, something comfortable but ordinary, yet it is actually one of the most flexible pieces in any wardrobe. When you begin looking at it through a creative lens, it stops being just clothing and starts becoming material for possibility. That shift in thinking is where motivation begins. Instead of focusing on what a shirt already is, you start noticing what it could become. A cut here, a change in shape, a combination with another fabric, and suddenly the entire purpose of the piece changes. That is the power of upcycling. It is not just about sewing or altering clothes, it is about reimagining value in something that was already there. And once you see that happen a few times, it becomes easier to apply that way of thinking everywhere else in life too. Every t-shirt in this video represents an idea, a transformation, a decision to see something differently rather than discard it. That mindset can be incredibly motivating because it removes the pressure of needing something new to start creating. you already have what you need. It is just waiting for attention, imagination, and a willingness to try something different. Even small changes can completely shift the identity of a garment. A loose shirt can become fitted, a plain shirt can become layered, and a simple design can become something expressive and unique. That process is where creativity builds confidence. Not because everything turns out perfect, but because you begin to trust your ability to shape outcomes through action. The more you experiment with t-shirt upcycling, the more natural it becomes to see opportunity instead of limitation. And that is where motivation really grows, in the realization that transformation is always possible with what you already have. As you continue watching these ideas, it becomes clear that upcycling is not just about fashion, it is about mindset. Each transformation reminds us that change does not always require starting over. Sometimes it only requires rethinking what is already in front of us. That can be surprisingly empowering, especially when life feels overwhelming or stagnant. A simple t-shirt project can become a reminder that progress does not have to be dramatic to be meaningful. It can happen in small steps, one adjustment at a time. That is what makes this process so motivating. It encourages patience, curiosity, and a willingness to keep going even when something does not look right on the first attempt. Every mistake becomes part of the learning process, and every adjustment brings you closer to something better than what you started with. Over time, this way of thinking can change how you approach creativity in general. You begin to trust the process instead of rushing the outcome. You begin to enjoy the act of creating instead of focusing only on the result. And that shift is where real creative freedom lies. If you're enjoying these ideas, make sure to like and subscribe to Ms. Angela Sawyer so you don't miss future sewing inspiration, creative transformations, and upcycling content. Be sure to check out the tutorial videos linked in the description if you'd like to learn techniques that help bring these ideas to life. Keep exploring these ideas, keep experimenting, and keep trusting your creative instincts. The more you work with what you already have, the more you realize how much potential has been there all along. There's a video on the screen for you to watch next, and I will see you there.